Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tracy. I'm back for another video, and as you all know, I always do unboxing videos. So today, what do we have? A big box, huge box. Can you see how big this box is? I already opened it because I was wondering, why do I have a big box wherein I don't remember ordering multiple items at one time. So I kind of check what's the status of this box. So when I open it, look at it. Look what's inside this big box. Why? Why? I didn't touch. I just look what's inside like this. What's the condition? But I didn't remove anything or change anything. I'm keeping it for my unboxing video. So yes, this is what's inside this box. A Michael Kors bag. Look how big the box is compared to the item I ordered. Oh well, we'll just go to my daughter to make it her toy because she wants to build a toy out of this box. But anyway, let's continue. Let's move on. Let's give it to her. We have another Michael Kors bag unboxing video for you guys. If you want to see what's inside this Michael Kors box, please keep on watching. Before we start, welcome, I'm Tracy. I do bag unboxing videos, sometimes first impression review videos, and once in a while I do upload vlog videos. If you happen to like my channel, please consider subscribing, and for all who already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. Now, this box didn't come with a ribbon, but it has a sticker from Michael Kors. Here you go. So let's open this one up and see what I got this time. This is also part of their Labor Day sale. The 25%, they lower their price extra 25%, and then you have a 15% coupon code. Oh, this is not brand new from the factory, I guess. Looking at the status of this box, it doesn't look like it's brand new from the factory. I don't feel any plastic inside, but hopefully it will be a keeper. I hope. I can smell perfume. I hope this is not a return. So, any guesses of what bag did I get from their Labor Day sale? It's a Michael Kors bag for sure. Yep. Oh. Pause. Interruption. I got interrupted. My daughter just came home from the state fair. But anyway, here it is. Here is the bag. It's so pink. I don't know what pink is, like candy pink. It's not a baby pink, but it's too pink for me. It's too pink for my liking. So this, let's look at the tag. I can't remember. I know this is a Soho studded bag, but how do you open this one? Oh, there. So let's see. Let's look at the tag. So this is the Coach. No, this is not the Coach. This is Michael Kors Soho in the color tea rose. This one with studs. Right now, you can hear on the background like footsteps. That's my daughter's dog walking around looking for her. But anyway, please don't mind that sound because you'll be hearing that all throughout probably this video. So this is the bag. It's not wrapped brand new from the factory. Looking at this, it looks really yummy on the video. Like looking at the video right now, it looks good. The color looks good, and it has, this one has gold hardware, so you can see the studs really looking good on the video. But I'm not sure if I like this. So let's do a 360 look. This is the side. This is the back. It has a magnetic slip pocket, and the other side. And this is the bottom of the bag. It has no feet. The gold hardware they have is really shiny. If you compare it with Coach bags, I like the Coach bags hardware because it's like brass. This one is shiny gold. Yeah, I'm not a fan of how bright this gold is. It hurts my eyes. No, just kidding. But anyway, it comes with a long chain shoulder strap with leather detail, and the studs for this bag is from front all the way to the top, and it has a gold D-ring. So this bag can be a shoulder bag or a long crossbody bag. You can see, look at that. Let's look at the inside of this bag. To open this one, there's Michael Kors there, and you push this down and it opens, and this is what the inside of the bag. It has fabric lining. It's leather up to here, but the inside has fabric lining, and it has two compartments. The front compartment is bigger than the back compartment, and it also has a middle zip compartment. It looks like that. Let's see if a phone can fit in the middle zip compartment with my iPhone case. Let's look. Oh, it fits nicely in there. And then also this bag comes with a front slip pocket and also a back zipper pocket. And look at the back of this bag. The slip pocket is big enough to fit a phone. Look at that. There you go, and you can close it. I like that. I like the features of this bag. It's just that the color I'm not too fond of. The leather is like cushiony. How do I describe this? Like soft cushion. Yeah, I think because this is the quilted one. Yeah, it feels good. It's like cushion. I like the style, but the color is a little too bright for me. But overall, I like the style of this bag. It's just the bright hardware, bright gold hardware, and the color. Probably if I have this in the luggage, the one that's not studded, or the one that I saw with Sergio's Secret, he has a like navy, midnight navy, with the stud is the same color as the leather. I like that one, but I don't see it on the website anymore. Let's do a quick try on this bag. So let's try it as a shoulder bag. And a long shoulder bag. There you go. I'm 5'8", for reference, so if you use it as a long shoulder bag, it goes like down to my hips. If I use it as a crossbody bag, this is a perfect length for me. So that's it for our video for today. This is the Michael Kors studded Soho in the color tea rose with gold hardware. So if you happen to like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell button so you get updated every time I upload a new video. So until next time, thank you for watching. Bye.